So welcome to our program today. We are so happy to meet you today. Now we are gonna to introduce some advice about how to learn English and my experience and Dr. Aro's experience about English. So Dr. Aro, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Dr. Mekram.
Okay, thank you, Aro. Now Dr. Aro is so fluent in English and we will ask him some questions. I hope to help you. So the first question is how to begin to learn English. If I am not so fluent in English, how to begin, how to start? What is the first step in this field?
Thank you so much. That question is a question that can help everyone. So what you need to know when you want to speak English, what you need to know is to attach yourself to a person who knows how to speak English. There are many things nowadays because we have come to the world of technology, where you can find someone online, you can find someone online who you are supposed to follow online or on YouTube. But what is so amazing is that when there is a person who speaks English next to you, you need to be practicing how to speak English. The only thing is that you need not to be fearing the language. The way you break is the way you will learn tomorrow. There is this thing that said, you don't fail to try, but you try to fail.
Very good. Don't fail to try, but try to fail. You must try. You mustn't hope. You must try to achieve this goal.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay. What about grammar? How should I learn the grammar? How should I learn new vocabulary? What is the step to do that?
Yeah. About the vocabularies, what you need to do there are novels. But you have to be reading the novel. You have to be attached to the TV. The new word that you have got today, you need to write it down and go and look it in the dictionary. That's the only way you need to get the vocabularies. Your friends now, you need to be watching the movies. The friends that how the movie goes, you have to check that one. Also, when you need to learn something, there is what is called the imitation. Like when you imitate something, you imitate what the person is doing. So when you imitate that one, you need to act like when you laugh, the way the person acts, you need to take that one and become a put it in practice. Right. So when you need to be speaking English, look for a person who knows how to speak the phrase English, then follow that person. The way he speaks, you need to adopt it so that you can also be speaking like the way that person is speaking.
That's very good. But now, Aro, a lot of people are very puzzled about the English and the British accent. In your point of view, what is the better accent? Is it English or British, or both are very good?
Yeah, thank you so much. Both are good. So like as Africa now, there are many countries that were being colonized by the British. There are many people who are being colonized by American. So now as an African, we have two different types of English that we speak. There are those who speak American English and there are those who speak British English.
I think the difference is the slides.
There is
no big difference between them.
Yeah, there's no different about that one. The difference is just some pronunciation, like when the people, like when you are pronouncing something, you pronounce in British language, another one pronounce in American language. So now you will not understand each other there. But what you need to do is that you make a choice of what you want to follow. You want to go for American English, then you need to follow the way American accent pronounce things. And when you want to follow their British English, then you need to know how do they pronounce what.
Okay, that's very good. But now I want to know the period that I should take to learn English well. As for you, how long have you been learning English and will it have been difficult for you or what?
Yeah, actually it's not a simple language. What you have to do about the English, like I myself, I started in primary 1.
Primary 1?
Yes. From primary 1 there, I go to primary 2, primary 3, primary 4, 5, 6, and 8. So now I finished in primary 8, and I went to secondary school, of which I spent 4 years in secondary school.
This system is unlike in South Sudan.
Yeah, that one is in South Sudan, not in Egypt. Yeah, I don't know how the system of Egypt was.
The system of Egypt, there are three primary and six primary years, and then 3 preparatory and 3 secondary, and after that the university.
Okay, so that's great. Now I know Egypt is Arabic speaking language. So if it is Arabic speaking language, the way we need to bring people up is show them that like You go to primary school, you finish the primary school, you will finish in Arabic. You go to university, there is a mix of Arabic and both.
So this is a very step for you.
Yes, now when you want to go for your master's, maybe you will not completed your master's in India. When you want to complete your master's abroad, you want to go to UK, you want to go to Australia or any other continent, what you want to do is for you to have the English language so that you can go and get yourself with the people. You will go and acquire your master's. And when you want to get your master's abroad, the only language that brings people together is the English.
English. So English is the key to a lot of things in life.
Yes.
It is the key to master. It is the key to your certificate and a lot of things. Yeah,
Yes.
that's right.
So you have seen now the goodness of English. Like I myself, I don't know how to speak that in Arabic, but it is because that I know how to speak English and you also know how to speak English, and that's why we are here together today.
And you know that speaking English is more important than speaking Arabic.
Yes,
so
it's
that's
important because Arabic now you will just be getting yourself with those who speak Arabic. But when you know how to speak English, there are a quarter of the world know how to speak English.
When you can speak English, you can communicate with the Arabian, with the English, with any country because it's a vital, it's an international language. That's
Yes,
right.
international language.
Yeah, okay. A lot of Egyptian people have many difficulties in speaking English and they always think in participating in a lot of English courses. Do you see that it is a good step or not? Is learning English in a course is better than learning it by novel, as you said before, and in watching TV? What about it?
Actually, it is fine. There are some of the steps that you are supposed to take. There is what is called the oral English, that the one that you speak. There is a written. So what you need to do is that you go for a course. Like when you go for an English course, yes, you go for English course.
Yeah.
When you go for an English course, there will be a written there. There will be an oral one, the one that you will be communicating to the people. You can communicate to a person who don't know how to write. There are those who don't know how to write, but they speak English. There are those who don't know how to speak, but they don't know how to write. Like now, there are most of my friends here in Egypt, the one I'm with them in the class, like when I'm talking to them, they cannot reply to me like the way I don't reply. But when I'm now texting with them, they text to me in English. So that's why now what I want to tell people is that like, when it is time, when we are going for the short holiday or when we are going for the long holiday, you go for an English course of which you will be speaking and both written.
So you want to tell me that English is composed of many parts. It's listening, writing, oral speaking, and how to listen, how to speak, and so on. Some people may be able to speak, but maybe not able to write, and vice versa.
Right, and they don't speak.
They don't speak. Okay, you have any information to tell people?
Okay, I just want to tell to the people that English is a language that can bring people together. You can see me today, I'm talking to my DR, Ahmed Mekrem. It is because that he know how to speak English and I also know how to speak English, and that's why we are speaking, or that's how we are carrying out this interview today. It's not that we are doing something good to each other, but we need to tell our friends who are outside that English is a language that can bring us together. We need not to fear, and we need not to say that I myself, I don't know how to speak English. The same to me, I'm now trying to be breaking Arabic because I don't know how to speak Arabic and I want to know how to be speaking that Arabic. The same to you, also be breaking English so that we can be communicating to each other. And I say that there are many ways of learning English. If you don't want to follow a person who knows how to speak English on YouTube, then you find yourself a doctor who can be helping you in English here next. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and we are very happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting for your comments below. Don't forget it. Thank you and goodbye.